Hi fellow Zazzlers. It's just Lisa here, teaching you how to make your hidden products public again on Zazzle. In case you didn't know, because I didn't for a long time, that if your products don't get viewed for a really long time, I'm not sure the exact period, it's like over a year, then you'll see this little red triangle underneath it, which means that they're hidden from the public. So you can see them, but they can't. So if you want to make your products public again, I'm going to show you the steps you can take to do that. So just go to your Zazzle page and sign in, and then click on products, and it should bring up all your products. So next go down here where it says product visibility and click on hidden. Now this will bring up all your products that are hidden. Click on this little one and it will show you that many products per page. So I never do 204 because it takes forever to load, but so pick however many you want to load so you can do them all at once. And then go to bulk or first scroll down. Make sure there's not any really yucky products that you're like, oh, I don't like this anymore, or it's outdated and you just want to quick delete them. Clean up your store a little bit, get rid of the products that you know aren't going to sell. I have a lot of these designs from when I first started doing Zazzle that I forget about that I go in and delete once in a while. So then you go to select all, and then actions, and hit make public. And that'll make that whole list of products public. It's just a quick way to do it. So once you do that, scroll down to the end and go to the next page. See what I mean? How it takes a while for it to load. The more products you have on a page, the longer it will take to load. But anyway, so scroll down, go to the next page, and then just repeat the process, and you can go through all your products quickly this way and make them all public again, or delete the ones you don't like, whichever you want to do. While you're here too, you'll see some like discontinued products. So you can just quickly delete them from this page. Or you can go back to product visibility, click on that, and click on discontinued. Then once you do that, it'll bring up all the discontinued items and you can delete them. I don't see a select all here, so I guess you'll just have to go through them all singly. Singly, is that a word? Well, you'll have to hit them each one by one and delete them. So I hope it helps you clean up your store a bit. If you have any questions, just post them below. And I'll try to make a video for you. Subscribe if you want to watch some more Zazzle tutorials. Thanks. Have a great day. Good luck with your shop.